Companion tiller board replacement. Engage the freewheel lever. Turn the key to the off position and remove it. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the tiller console. Disconnect the light, the key switch, the paddle pot, and the main cable from the console. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to disconnect the tiller board from the console cover. Remove the speed knob. Disconnect the battery meter from the tiller board. Connect the battery meter to the new tiller board. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to install the new tiller board onto the tiller cover. Reinstall the speed knob. Install the main cable, the paddle pot, the key switch, and the light onto the new tiller board. Reinstall the tiller console onto the tiller.